Good morning, first graders. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a fabulous day of learning and playing yesterday. I know Miss Field's heart is so full because I got to see so many friends yesterday as you came to pick up your memory books. So I was so happy to see you. We are going to start working on our memory books today, and Miss Field will explain what your jobs are for that. So I am here to share our morning message of the day. I'm going to share your to-dos for today, and I'm going to share 3 clues about who our new star student of the week is. So I hope you found this message on our new virtual classroom, and as always, you can read along right with me. Here we go, friends. Good morning, firsties. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. I loved seeing so many of you yesterday. Big virtual hug over the screen. Ready? Oh, I loved seeing so many familiar faces and hearing from you and hearing about all the fun things that you've been doing at home. Today, you will begin to work on your end of the year memory books. So yesterday, a lot of you had a chance to come see Miss Field and grab your memory book. Otherwise, Miss Field had dropped some off at friends' houses. But this is what you are going to start working on today, and I can't wait to show you what 2 pages you're going to be working on. You are going to work on letters A and B. I will explain a couple examples in a video posted to Seesaw to show you what to do. Have fun learning today, and remember to try your best. Be kind. Love, Miss Field. All right, friends, Miss Field has posted some of your to-dos for today. So for literacy, you are going to listen to a story called How We Get to School. So remember, this week you are making inferences and drawing conclusions based on what you have read. For writing today, you're going to be working in your memory books, pages A and B. For phonics, you have a O-U-O-W poem, and remember that both of those ways to spell words both say the ow sound, like if you got hurt. For math, you are going to be doing a sorting activity called Animal Train Sorting on Seesaw, and I would love if you would be creative and have fun today. So be creative with your memory books. You're going to be drawing some pictures along with your writing, okay? All right, friends, we have a new star student of the week, and I can't wait for you to find out who this star student is. I have 3 new clues for you, and if you would like to tell me on Seesaw who you might think it is, I would love to hear your guesses of who you think it is. You can drop it in the comments below our virtual classroom if you would like to. So here is our clues. Our first clue is that this star student loves Legos. You might know of a few friends that really like to play with Legos, but this friend loves Legos so much. The second clue is that this friend has 1 sister. So it's someone who likes Legos, and it's someone who has 1 sister. And my final clue for you is that this star student loves to go camping and fishing. If you have any guesses who you think it could be, I would love for you to share in the comments under our virtual classroom. I hope you have a terrific Tuesday of learning and playing, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye, friends.